How to use Gemini AI before we start. If you find this video even a little helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's begin. First, go to the Play Store on your phone and download the Google Gemini app. Once it's installed, open the app. I have already logged in, but if you haven't, simply sign up or log in. Google Gemini is completely free to use, and it doesn't cost any money. You can ask Gemini any question and it will give you instant answers. Now let me show you more features of Gemini. At the bottom you will see a plus icon. Tap on it and you can upload photos with a prompt. If you want to give an image directly, you can use the camera option or simply choose one from your gallery. There are also options to upload files or use Google Drive. For example, I uploaded an image from the gallery and gave Gemini a prompt to convert the image to red color. As you can see, Gemini processed it and turned the image red. Next, you will find another option with two lines. If you want to create an AI image, tap on Create Image. If you want to explore detailed topics, you can tap on Deep Research. Features like Canvas and guided learning are also available where you can work and learn with AI. After that, there is a voice option which works just like voice typing. Whatever you speak will be typed automatically. Beside it, there is an option to talk live with AI. On the top left, you will see a three-line menu. From there, you can view all your previous chats. If you want to start a new conversation, simply tap on New Chat and a new chat will open. You can always go back and open any old chat whenever you want. On the top right, you will find your profile, where you can change settings and manage preferences. I truly hope I have clearly explained how to use Gemini AI. If you still have any doubts or face any issues, feel free to ask me in the comments and I will definitely reply.